Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this quick Whirlpool washing machine tutorial. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new Whirlpool washing machine. How do you actually go ahead about using it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to actually go ahead and use this, I keep it simple. So the first thing that you got to do is that you have to load your clothes in. So it is a top loader, meaning that if you flip this lid open, obviously your clothes will go inside of here. Now, the next thing that you got to do is that if you're not allergic to detergent or softener, make sure you use the correct one. Load the softener to where it says max. And then for the detergent, load the detergent for where it says max here as well. Now, if you have a powder detergent, you could actually go ahead and remove this cup here. You can load your powder detergent inside of there as well. But I use a liquid detergent, so just simply load your fabric softener and then your laundry detergent, close the panel, close the lid. Next, you want to click on the power button here. And then 90% of the time in which I do laundry, I normally just set it to normal. Let's say that you have something that's heavy duty, maybe you have a lot of whites, maybe you have towels, bulky items, maybe you have some delicate button-up shirts. You can adjust the mode to whichever you feel is necessary. Maybe you're short on time, so you can actually do a quick wash as well. But most of the time, I just set it to normal. And then because we loaded in fabric softener, this is a key point, guys. You want to make sure that the fabric softener light is turned on. And in order to turn it on, just click on rinse options. And now the light has been turned on. For the temperature of the water, I always leave it as warm. I mean, if you want, you can adjust it to hot or cold. I normally just set it to warm. And then with that, the last thing to do is that you just want to click on hold to start until these light indicators go to done. So press hold to start, let go. And then your washing machine has now turned on. You should hear it click and start to turn on, but there you have it, guys. That right there is the Whirlpool washing machine tutorial. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.